Ensukwini ezedlule sikubikele ngokapteni osuspendiwe emveni kokuba kube ney'nsolo zokuthi kunemali ayebile ebalelwa la ko-3 million. Ngize ngakucaphunela ividiyo ka-Brigadier Adlenda Mathe owu-National Spokesperson we-South African Police Services. Ngifuna ukuphinda ngikucaphunele yena futhi bese siqhubeka-ke nokuboshwa kwakhe lo captain ngoba ngesikhathi ngenza ividiyo kokuqala ngangikwazisa ukuthi ucaptain lona ususpendiwe.
The South African Police Services has suspended a captain attached to his protection security services after an internal investigation uncovered discrepancies and suspicious transactions within the division. The member is attached to the finance sector of the PPS and allegedly used his access to the finance system to withdraw monies running into millions.
Attached to the finance section of the Protection and Security Service and allegedly used his access to the finance system to withdraw monies running into millions. An investigation has uncovered that he manipulated the system to book out cash for himself under the disguise that the money was meant for traveling expenses for close protectors attached to the Presidential Protection Services. Further investigation uncovered that the money was not received by the close protectors but booked out in lump sum cash amounts by the member. Following a lengthy investigation, a case of fraud was registered at the Sunnyside Police Station and an internal departmental investigation has led to his suspension. The National Commissioner of SAPS, General Masemola, has applauded the Financial Management Division for identifying and uprooting criminality within our ranks and has assigned the SAPS Anti-Corruption Unit to investigate the matter. The SAPS takes this opportunity to assure the nation that it has stringent measures in place to ensure taxpayers' monies are utilized in service to the nation and that the SAPS will not tolerate fraud and corruption within its ranks. No close protector attached to the president, deputy president, ministers or deputy ministers are implicated in this case.
Ngoba usumzile uBrigadier Adlenda Mathe echaza kabanzi ukuthi okwenzekile ikuphi. Usolakele kwaba khona internal investigation okuyiyona igcina imholele ekuthenini akasuspendwe. From lapho bavula icase then icala lakhe base belinikela ku-Anti-Corruption Unit. Ngifika ukuthi i-understande kahle lento ukuthi kungani eboshwa manje kodwa into udaba lakhe baqale benza i-internal investigation okuyiyona emthola ukuthi internally unecala ngoba kuyenzeka umuntu njengoba esebenza abe necala internally kodwa ngeke likwazi ukuthi lingaba i-criminal charge okwenza ukuthi lo muntu uphula imithetho yangaphakathi esiphoyiseni kodwa lokho ngeke kumenze ukuthi a-charge criminal ukuthi lo muntu lo une-criminal case ayenzile. Yingakho kufuneka ukuthi babheke internally ukuthi uphule miphi imigomo nemibandela nayiphi imithetho futhi njengoba kuwumuntu bekwe kwi-position yokuthi akabheke kwi-Presidential Security Service bathi akekho noyedwa-ke kulaba abagade uminister upresident nobani aba-implicated uyedwa nje kulo bugebengu lobu abenzile manje athi usebenzisa isikhundla sakhe neposition yakhe ukuze ayisenze leyo mali. So emveni kokuba sebemtholile ukuthi kunezinto ezingalungile kahle uye wasuspendwa kodwa udaba lakhe la selifakwa epolice station kwavulwa icala. That's a criminal charge manje. Kwase kuphuma i-Anti-Corruption Unit okuyiyona efuneka ilibheke-ke manje udaba lakho ukuthi okay kwi-corruption ayenzile ehamba phi ifike phi. Zinhle lezi zinto ukuthi siziqonde ngoba zehlukene manje umuntu onjengoBrigadier Adlenda Mathe usenzela izinto zibelula njengoba echaza ukuthi kuqale la kweza la njengoba eshilo ukuthi no-National Commissioner usincomile isenzo lesesenziwe ilaba bamtholile ngoba akufanelanga inkohlakalo yande lapha ngaphakathi esiphoyiseni. Kuhle kakhulu lokho abakwenzini. Post esithole manje ithi captain arrested for defrauding SAPS PSS division of millions. The South African Police Services SAPS Anti-Corruption Unit has arrested a 53-year-old captain for fraud. His arrest emanates from an internal investigation sanctioned by the Division Financial Management Services following suspicious transaction on Polfin system. The captain will appear on Tuesday, 7 April 2026 before the Pretoria Magistrate Court on charges of fraud. Anti-Corruption Unit ke njengoba kade uzwa la isimbophile kuCaptain okulindeleke ukuthi avele enkantolo osukwini la kusasa lapha yobingelela inkantolo bese siza ukuthi isicelo sakhe sebheli sihamba kanjani. Kodwa nje ukubuka amaphoyisa enza lo msebenzi awenzayo ave kujabulisa kakhulu ngoba yilabantu abanje abenza ukuthi le institution igcine negama elibi. Kunento esho General Mkhwanazi ngesikhathi seParliament ngiyifakile kwivideo eyedlule kodwa ngizophinde ngiyifake namanje uze ukuthi kubaluleke ngani ukuthi kuliwe nalesihlava secorruption.
The only sad part is that we're in institutions that a small mistake done or irregularities that done, it paints the entire institution bad. And it takes a while for that to be corrected. But the men and women out there, both from the SAPS, IPED and IDEC, that are working very hard, dedicated, given an opportunity, getting the support that they need, they will make you proud for the efforts that they are putting in. So I want to encourage South Africans not to judge everyone at once. Yes, we have done them wrong amongst us, some of us, but there are many of us that are trying to do what is right. So for those that are trying to do what is right from all different levels in all these institutions I'm talking about, must be given an opportunity to do that. So when you see the figures of crime stats being released and the picture that we see in the country, when you get briefing from time to time about the state of policing, the people being arrested, the court processes, the number of people being taken into correctional services, it should give you courage that the wheels of justice are indeed moving. There are men and women that are doing that which is supposed to be done. Because if they were not, the likelihood is that the prison would be empty. And to the extent that the prison are full, it's an indication that something is happening. We have good judges, presiding officers that are convicting people. We have good prosecutors that are making sure that we have successful prosecution. We have good police officers that are finalizing their investigations ethically and they present good cases in court. Both IP, IDEC, and the SAPS. But the bad apples remain, like any other institutions. We must together work towards cleaning that. The public must be involved.
Onesithunzi samaphoyisa sizobuya. Nesithunzi salama institution amanye njenga IDEC, nesithunzi salama institution njengo IP sizobuya ngoba uma seqala kuboshwa lamaphoyisa corrupt nathi sesizowathemba amaphoyisa kwathina nje singamalungu omphakathi sesizowathemba amaphoyisa ngoba akufanelanga umuntu azi ukuthi ngoba uyiphoyisa uyena untouchable. Akekho umuntu okufanele asatshwe kuthiwa lona ngeke aboshwe. Wonke umuntu ufuna asabe ukwenza icrime ngoba azi ukuthi uma engabanjwe uzoboshwa. Iyona nje into engijabulisayo. Ngikhuluma nawe nje i-task team le ephenye insolo lezi ezivela lapha kuMadlanga Commission iyabopha ngempela iyasebenza ngapha ngapha anti-corruption ibamba nango captain naye futhi uyaboshwa. Lokhu kuyajabulisa kujabulisa impela. Ngisho lokhu ngoba kukhona ugeneral wamasosha waboshwa yiyo le task team yaMadlanga wayivelile nje enkantolo. Kukhona na konje lo bhuti wayesenzaphi kumaHawks na wayezama ukudizela omunye ukuze bazama ukumanipulate icala ukuze lingabophi ubro wakhe naye bambopha. Kuyajabulisa lokhu. Ayikho into engijabulisa njengale. Igebengu akufanelanga ikhululeke. Ngeke u-encourage abantu ukuthi abaye esikoleni bafunde ukuze babe nempilo engcono bebebona igebengu zinempilo engcono. Ngeke uzukusho lokho. So lento esiyibonayo avijabulisa kakhulu. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Bengikwazisa nje ukuthi uCaptain lo obesibikelwe ngaye ugcine eboshiwe.